And Namaskar, welcome to my presentation. First, introduce myself. My name is Taushik Manapal and ID 242332007. Today of my presentation is topic now magnetic circuit. Next slide. Introduction. Magnet. It is the piece of solid substance which has magnetic property. Magnetic flux. It is it is defined as the number of magnetic field lines passing through a given closed surface. Next slide. The magnetic flux density is the number of lines of force passing through a unit area of materials. The unit of magnetic induction is the Tesla. Magnetic field intensity at any point in the magnetic field is defined as the force experienced by the unit north pole at that point. In simple terms, it is a measure of how strong or weak any magnetic field is. The SI unit of magnetic field intensity is ampere per meter. Next slide. Next. 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 Basic definition. Magnetomotive force. It is force due to which cause magnetic flux to follow. Its units is ampere per turns, where n equal to n0 of turns in magnetizing coil, I equal to current in ampere. Reluctance. It is the opposition to the follow of flux. Its units is ampere turn per Weber. Per means it is the reciprocal of reluctance. Its units is Weber per ampere turns. Permeability. It is the ability of materials to allow the flow of flux. Next slide. Series magnetic circuit. The series magnetic circuit is defined as the magnetic circuit having a number of parts of different dimension and materials carrying the same magnetic circuit. Next slide. Parallel magnetic circuit. A magnetic circuit having two or more than two paths for the magnetic flux is called a parallel magnetic circuit. Its behavior can be compared to the parallel circuit. The parallel magnetic circuit contains different dimensional areas and materials having various numbers of paths. Next. Electric and magnetic circuit. Magnetic circuit. The closed path for magnetic flux is called magnetic circuit. Flux equal to MF divided reluctance. Flux is measured in Weber. Permeability, reluctility. Electric circuit. The closed path for electric current is called electric circuit. Current equal to EMF by resistance. Current is measured in ampere. Conductivity, resistivity. Next slide. Magnetization curve. Base curve. A magnetization curve, also known as a base curve, is a graphical representation of how a material. It shows the relationship between the applied magnetic strength and the resulting magnetic flux density within the materials. Thank you so much, everyone.